In 2003, Air France was the first airline to operate the 4 A320 family aircraft. This family comprises the A318, the smallest version, followed by the A319, A320 and A321. These aircraft currently make up the Air France short and medium-haul fleet. With an operating range of over 6,000 kilometers, these aircraft can fly to destinations such as Strasbourg, Moscow and Amman, with 123 to 206 passengers on board. Air France currently operates over 150 of these aircraft. This homogeneous fleet of aircraft are all fitted with identical cockpits and cabins. As a result, pilots only need one type qualification to fly the A318, A319, A320 and A321. Similarly, flight attendants benefit from the same training module to fly on any one of the 4 aircraft. The operation of these aircraft contributes to cutting training costs, along with maintenance and fuel expenses. Air France is pursuing its fleet rationalization policy by operating this type of cost-efficient aircraft on its short and medium-haul routes.